it's me Sinto. In this video I am going to show you how to make an aquarium top lid canopy DIY. This is a great way to save money and to create a custom canopy that perfectly fits your aquarium. I built aquarium canopy for my 50-gallon old aquarium which got damaged earlier, and I newly built it, which I certainly liked myself. There are various types of canopies like top lid canopy, front lid canopy and rollback canopy. I will make each of these canopies in my later DIY creative works. For now, I will show you how to make a aquarium top lid canopy. Make sure to check my other DIY works in my channel. Material used or required are wood which are water resistant like PVC, WPC, wood sheets, hinges, latches, wood glue, screws, saw, drill, measuring tape, pencil, etc. The instructions on how to build it. Cut the wood to size for the top and sides of the canopy. Cut out spaces in the canopy for the filter and any other equipment that you need to access. stain or paint the canopy to match your aquarium and decor. Assemble the canopy using wood glue and screws. Attach the hinges to the back of the canopy and the top of the canopy. Attach the latches to the front of the canopy. Now some tips on how to make this DIY project. Make sure that the canopy is well ventilated to prevent condensation from building up. Use a type of wood that is resistant to moisture and wrapping. If you are not comfortable using saw and drill, you can have the wood cut to the size at home, improvement stores. Be sure to measure your aquarium carefully before cutting the wood. Conclusion. That's it, you have now made your own aquarium top lid canopy. This is a great way to save money and to create a custom canopy that perfectly fits your aquarium. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. I will see you next time. Here are some additional tips for making a aquarium top lid canopy DIY. You can use variety of different materials for the canopy such as PVC, WPC or even acrylic. If you are using heavy materials such as PVC or WPC sheets, you may need to add additional support to the canopy. You can also add features to the canopies such as lighting system or feeding hole. Be sure to test the canopy before adding to the aquarium. Make sure that it fits snugly and that the latches work properly. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.